In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a grainy, distorted ghost effect in Photoshop. We'll build this look in a clean, non-destructive way so you can tweak it anytime without damaging your original image. Start by opening your image and converting it to a smart object. In the Layers panel, right-click your image layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This is important because every filter we apply becomes editable later, which means you can dial things in as the effect takes shape. Next, duplicate that smart object by pressing Ctrl+J and turn off the visibility of the duplicated layer for now. We're setting it aside to create a texture layer later, so hiding it keeps things organized while we craft the distortion. With the original smart object layer selected, head to Filter, Blur Gallery, and choose Path Blur. Photoshop often adds a default path. Click its circle and press Delete to clear it. Now create your own motion path. Click once to place a point on the face, then click again lower on the body to define the direction of the blur. Press Enter to apply the path. In the settings on the right, switch Basic Blur to Rear Sync Flash. This mode gives the ghostly trailing effect we want, with the blur falling behind the subject. Increase the speed until you're happy. Around 400 is a strong starting point. Because we're using a smart object, you can always reopen Path Blur and refine the path or speed. To add the grain that sells the haunted vibe, go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Set amount to around 5%, choose Gaussian, and enable monochromatic. This creates a consistent film-like texture without color speckles that might distract from the mood. Now add a gradient map from the Adjustments panel. Pick a gradient that fits the eerie look you're after. A black-orange-white gradient works surprisingly well, pushing shadows darker and highlights warmer for a supernatural glow. You can adjust or swap the gradient anytime to shift the atmosphere. Turn the duplicated layer back on and drag it below the gradient map layer. With that duplicate selected, go to Filter, Filter Gallery, open the Sketch folder, and choose Halftone Pattern. Set size to 2 and contrast to 0, then click OK. This adds a subtle print-like texture that enhances the gritty feel. Finally, change the blending mode of the halftone layer to either lighten or soft light. Lighten will preserve brighter grain, while soft light blends more gently into the image. Adjust the layer opacity to taste, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.